Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a gel polish design for you. I have done one coat of white and cured it in the lamp. I'm now going to do a second coat of white. I'm now going to use a large size dotting tool and some red polish. Now as you can see, I've not cured this yet. And then using a fine tipped brush, I'm going to drag the colours together. Once you're happy with the effect, just cure that in the lamp. I'm now going to apply the gel top coat. And cure that one more time in the lamp.